your girl Bree. Welcome back to my channel. And y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail, so y'all know what's going on. First of all, y'all loving this bob. I'm seeing the body though. The body, okay? Period. Which y'all know what's going on. I'm gonna be showing y'all how you get free ringtones or free text tones, both on your iPhone for free. You don't have to pay iTunes $1.25 per ringtone, free per text tone. Y'all know them $1.25. They add up, and that shit is expensive. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how you get free ringtones, free text tones on your iPhone 10, 11, or whatever iPhone you have for free. All you need are 2 apps. So y'all stay tuned, watch all the way to the end. Make sure y'all like this video up, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you enjoy watching. Y'all, I'm loving this bob. Feeling it, baby. They say blondes have more fun. Your girl is definitely about to have some fun. But y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Keep watching. And I'm going to show y'all how to get free music for free. Keep your money, y'all. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? So like in the first part of the video, it's just going to be basically me. It's basically going to be like pictures. Every step of the way of me downloading music to my phone to save to GarageBand to create a ringtone. So the first part of the video is photos, if you will. Well, it is photos. The first part of the video is photos, and then like the rest of the video is just screen record, me basically explaining the rest of the way. For some reason, Bolt would not let me screen record, so I had to improvise, and I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, comment down below or follow me on Instagram and DM me questions. I will answer y'all. Just give me time. But y'all enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Press that, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you liked it or if you want me to show y'all more hacks. So yeah, y'all, let's get straight to it.
Eventually.
Alright y'all, so you want to open your Bolt app and search soundcloud.com. Should have this, and then you search the song that you want to download. I chose No Dealings Money Bag. When that song is downloaded, or once you click download, you're going to click that number 1 at the bottom, and then you're going to long press the song that you just downloaded, and then you're going to do share open in, and then you're going to do save to files. And you should already select GarageBand, and you click save. And that's it for this app. You're going to open GarageBand and click the little 3 thingies at the top, the button at the top. That makes sense? Turn it into an audio. And then you click the number 1 on the top right hand corner. You long press the song that you just downloaded. Long press, and then you paste it there. Then you make sure the little box, you make sure this says 30. Make sure that says 30. You click done, and then you turn off the little blue line. Download song, and you're gonna press save, and then you're gonna go to the song that you just downloaded. Long press. And then you're gonna go to rename. Share as a ringtone. Click continue. It will automatically adjust. Rename the song to No Dealings, or whatever song that you downloaded. So I'm gonna put No Dealings, and I'm gonna put export done. And while it's exporting, we're gonna wait. Okay, and then you're gonna use sound as ringtone or standard text. I'm gonna choose ringtone, and that's it, you guys. Wait, you're gonna want to go to your phone settings, and then to your sounds, and just to make sure that your ringtones are there, by in the
I won't out with you, out with you, out with you. I won't out with you, out with you, out with you.
Any other videos I'm
Streets ain't true to the goose. Told the deal I wanted, I want the roof. I won't out with you.
There you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.